The Glimmering Vale was a land alive with wonder, where fairies danced under moonlit skies and giant flowers glowed in colors beyond dreams. There were fairies of all seasons: fairy of roses, cloaked in crimson petals and crowned with dew-touched blooms. She breathes life into every rose she touches, leaving gardens awash in velvet red and the sweet scent of love. Fairy of lights, radiant and serene, she carries dawn in her golden hair and weaves beams of hope wherever shadows linger, turning darkness into gentle glow. Fairy of chocolate, playful and warm, with eyes like molten caramel and a dress swirling like cocoa ribbons, she conjures fountains of sweetness and laughter, reminding hearts of simple joys. At the vale's heart stood the Heartstone, a crystal whose magic kept rivers singing and blossoms bright. Among the fairies lived Lirel, gentle, violet-winged, with lavender hair that shimmered like dawn. Unlike the others, Lirel could hear the quiet whispers of the vale itself, the sigh of ancient trees and the secret songs of hidden streams. But one twilight, the Heartstone dimmed. Flowers drooped, rivers grew still, and laughter faded into silence. In the marble hall, under the pale glow of lanterns, Queen Miralis spoke solemnly. The magic is fading, and with it, our world. Lirel stepped forward, her voice calm yet resolute. Let me go, Your Majesty. I can hear what the veil longs to say. Blessed by the Queen, Lirel set out alone. She soared above silver rivers wrapped in morning mist, through enchanted forests where glowing blossoms bloomed in sapphire and fuchsia. Around her danced golden sprites and drifting petals, as if guiding her path. Her journey led to a hidden glen, where ancient twisted roots embraced soft glowing crystal shards. Ghostly shapes of fairies past shimmered in the drifting mist, and there, the veil whispered its truth. The Heartstone's magic lives not in power alone, but in hope, kindness, and the unity of every fairy's heart. With newfound purpose, Lirel returned. She gathered fairies once divided by quarrels, and with a graceful wave of her hand released golden streams of magic that danced like dawn's light. Slowly, smiles returned. Old resentments melted into laughter. In a vast meadow ablaze with vibrant blossoms, water fairies with shimmering fin. Light fairies glowing like embers, and flower fairies crowned in blossoms joined hands. Above them, the sky bloomed in coral and violet, while swirling trails of sparkling stardust wove living ribbons of light. And in that moment, the Heartstone's glow blossomed anew, stronger and brighter than ever. Rivers sparkled once more, flowers awoke in impossible colors, and laughter rose, warm and free, across the glimmering vale. From that day, Lirel became the kingdom's storyteller. At twilight, under silver stars and the soft glow of the Heartstone, she shared tales of ancient magic and gentle truths, reminding every fairy that true magic lives in love, hope, and the bonds that hold them together.